Hello, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to talk about paraphrasing. Let us have a start. What do we mean by paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is a technique for restating on your own the thought, meaning, and attitude of someone else. In other words, you interpret an idea, opinion, or statement by rewriting it. Okay, so it is a technique for rewriting some statements or sentences, but with the main thought, okay, but with your words, own words. With the précis, you act as a bridge between the source and the reader. You must capture the wisdom of the source and approximately the same number of words. That is one of the duties of the researchers. So you have to make a paraphrasing, keeping the main thought as it is, and use your words, but the same amount of words of the main author, okay? It requires you to name the source. Who write this, okay? Indicate the source's attitude with your verb. How he write this, okay? Is he agree or disagree? Is he admit? Is he clarifying? And so on. And rewrite the material. Also the thought, what he is writing, okay? Here is an example of paraphrasing the source text. Write, the need for investors to earn a commercial return may put upward pressure on price. Paraphrase, the need for profit is likely to push up prices. Okay? Here is another example of paraphrase. Here is some steps for paraphrasing an idea or a phrase or verse, okay? Here is another 8 ways to paraphrase. And after all these slides, please stop, copy and paste. Stop, copy and paste. Stop, copy and paste. I hope you get benefit. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment. Thanks for your time and for your listening. Have a good day.